So beautiful people, as you see, our pepper it has dried, so you can use the sand of the pepper. So I want to blend this pepper now. This is Cameroon pepper, yellow pepper. Okay, so hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time, please help us to subscribe, press that red button please now. So in this video we want to prepare do Cameroon pepper. So this is my yellow pepper. So this is my what I want to use to dry it. We are going to use oven to dry it. Okay, so we are going to use oven to dry it. So follow me. So beautiful people, this is the pepper. It's hot. So this is the next day of this pepper. We are drying it small on off. Okay, so it's not that we leave the fire to be, so it just the pepper just need the heat to dry it. It's not too much fire. Okay, so if you get chance to use sun to dry it, you can use sun. You see, you hear the sound of the pepper. It has dried, so I want to dry it more with low heat. So beautiful people, as you see, our pepper it has dried, so you can use the sand of the pepper. So I want to blend this pepper now. This is Cameroon pepper, yellow pepper. Okay, so This is Cameroon pepper. Okay. The pepper is hot. Please, if you try this pepper, make sure you don't use too much of this pepper because it's hot. You see, this is Cameroon pepper. Okay, yellow pepper. So I'm going to keep it inside our jar. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, share with your friend and family. Thank you very much. See you on our next video. Mwah!